Thank you for watching my video. This is literally just to show you how to hide and unhide a column or a row. So let's just say I've just opened a plain document just to show you. I'm just going to put in numbers in the rows. And I can show you a shortcut of how to continue putting numbers. If you press on and see this plus, you can actually drag across. And same going down. You can just put it on this plus and drag it across to save you time. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how you could do hide. The easiest way to hide a column is if you select the column, and usually it's right click and you can hide, and it's the same applies on the row. So if you select the row, right click, hide, and if you can see it jumps from 7 to 9 now, and C to E. If you want to unhide it, if you select C and E, right click, you can actually do unhide, and voila, it can actually show you. And the same applies on the row. So if you highlight 7 and 9, right click, unhide, and voila, you can actually see 8. Hopefully that helped you, and thank you very much for listening.